Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to try to start this 1977 Dodge Ram 1500 with a 5.2 liter 318 V8. So let's see if I can get it started. So first off, I'd like to thank Rich D for the comment he made in the last video about the starter relay. So I was able to go to O'Reilly and pick it up. So here it is. I don't know if y'all can see it or not. That is the second one. When the first one came, it was broken. I had to take it back to the store and return it. So the first thing I'm going to do is first make sure the engine is not seized up. So I'm going to try to turn the fan blade, and yeah, it's turning pretty well. It's not seized up. It's turning. That's kind of slipping a little bit, the fan blade. Next, I'm going to check and see if we have any oil in it. It's plenty. You can see that. I'm going to go ahead and take the air filter off. So I want to go ahead and see if I can install this starter relay. I also did pick up a service manual. My dad had one laying around, so I was able to find that. So thank you, Rich, for that comment too. Okay, got the starter relay installed. While I'm at it, go ahead and check the antifreeze. Look, I got some pressure already on it, so it is dry. So if I can get it running, I'll put some antifreeze in a little bit later. So now I have a battery on charge. I'm going to go ahead and bring that up and hook the battery up. Okay, I got the battery hooked up. Don't have any fuel in it right now. I'm just going to basically see if the engine will turn over before I would try to put some fuel in the carburetor. So let's see what happens. Nothing. Okay, take two. I got a jump box on. Now I can see if I can just get the engine to turn over. Okay, so it's turning over. So now I'm gonna put a little fuel in the carburetor and see if I can get it to start a little bit. A little bit in here. Okay. Let's see if I can get it to do a little something. Wow. I think we have a runner. I just need to get another battery. This battery seems to be too weak for this motor. But let's see if I can get to do it one more time. Okay, take two. Yeah, this battery is too weak, so I know it does run now. I just need to get a stronger battery and see if I can get to idle. Okay, as I was editing the video, I realized there were some things that I left out. So the first time I tried to start the video and I had nothing, basically the second starter relay I got from O'Reilly had broke, so I replaced it with the old one I had laying around. The second issue I had was the connection on the battery. So as you can see, the negative battery bolt snapped. So I had to connect it with a pair of vice grips for the positive and negative. So I'm going to try to maybe replace these one day. And I had to use a jump box to supply more power to the battery to turn the starter. So after I got done filming, I went to the fuel filter, which is right here, removed the old fuel filter. I do have a new one. And I was turning the engine over to see if I can see the fuel pump trying to pump fuel out, which it wasn't. So I put about a gallon of fuel in the tank, and later on I'm going to try to see if I can get this fuel pump to start working. So for more videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And for you mechanics out there, you see I'm doing something wrong, or you see something, just leave it in the comments what I'm doing wrong. I can really use the help. So thank you guys for watching, and have a nice day.